the ultimate in driver luxury, the Land Rover Range Rover Vogue. This car is an incredible value for money car. 2019, 19 registration with 33 miles on, full service history, but some really unique specification. It's Carpathian Grey, and this car's got something called a Shadowline package, which is, you get a stealth pack on these cars. This has got a Shadowline pack, which is sort of like a dark silver chrome through the grille, down the atlases on the sides as well, and it really complements that Carpathian Grey premium palette paint, which is an exceptional colour. With Windsor Ivory Leather interior, the combination works so well. But the specification on this car is what will sell it. As always, 22-inch gloss black wheels. The car's got adaptive cruise, it's got sliding roof, it's got head-up display, it's got refrigerator, it's got heated steering wheel. It is a real top car in a lovely, lovely condition with full service history. It just represents unbelievable value for money if you're looking to get in a car like this, which is the ultimate luxury vehicle. Fixed side steps. For me, it's the colour, and the Shadowline pack again round the back with this darkened chrome finisher, badges. It looks exceptional. Car is going to come fully prepared, 12 months MOT, whatever else it needs, service requirements, brakes, tyres, we do all that. But the Vogue offers you so much because you have the driver and passenger comfort throughout. You have the space in the back, you've got air suspension, you've got foldable rear seats, all electric. And the car is an exceptional car to drive. The 3-litre diesel engine is powerful, it's smooth. The car has soft closed doors as an option, which is a lovely feature to have as well, keyless entry. And then the inside. The combination between the Windsor leather, the light and the dark from the exterior works so well. Reclining rear seat, Meridian sound, heated rear seat, the glass roof with, you know, it's a stunning car. Such a comfortable car, loads of space in the rear for your passengers, and mega spec, absolutely top spec. The Vogue, obviously the ultimate car with luxury, so you've got the full electric seats with driver and passenger memory, heated steering wheel, obviously the newer generation, touchscreen interface, digital interface behind the steering wheel, configurable ambient lighting as well, so another option to these cars, which is nice when you drive it, and it's a lovely driving position, so comfortable to sit in. But things that you don't usually see in these cars, head-up display, what an option that is to have. You come and look at the steering wheel, we've also got adaptive cruise control, another lovely feature to have, heated steering wheel. You've got all these ceramic controls on the steering wheel, lovely two-tone steering wheel as well, dark exterior with the ivory interior. And then features to the centre, so again, touch-operated screen, navigation, Bluetooth, smartphone interface as you'd expect. You've got your in-control app, so you can link this car to your mobile phone and you can do a number of different features with that. Popping it into reverse, you have got the reversing camera, the car will park itself using that button there. Seat selections, you've got heated front seats, digital climate control, the refrigerator onto the centre console, which is another nice feature to have, lovely. So the luxuries in this car are all there. Again, things like the electric opening roof, things you'd enjoy all year round. The car is unbelievable value for money with the Windsor Ivory, and another feature, the grand black lacquer interior, which is modern, it's up to date, it looks nice. The car is beautiful, it really is. The right colour, the right specification. This car stands out from the rest with the way it looks and them individual features the car's got. The head-up display, the adaptive cruise, the wheels, it's a stunner. My name's Richard, use my number on the screen, give me a call. I'd love to speak to you about this car. Thanks for watching.